I have seen your request. You requested Safaricom fiber connection.
Today we are here at NHC Lang'ata. We've come to connect with our customers. We brought in technical support for our Home Fibre customers. We brought in customer service team, and we are coming to sort any issues that our customers are having on internet and general Safaricom services. We are actually helping our customers also to onboard our Safaricom One app, which is the new kid in the block. We're also having our customer service team helping our customers not only on internet services, but general Safaricom issues, be it replacement, be it internet issues, be it billing issues.
I'm going to register you right now. I hope that's okay with you. Installation, we don't charge, it's free.
I seem to be the proud winner of a Safaricom gift bundle after signing up for Home Fibre today. The connection is going to help me work, communicate with colleagues around the world, watch Netflix, kids to play PlayStation with their friends across the world, and my brother's kids in America. So really excited about being connected today. And thank you to the Safaricom team for being present in our estate. It was so convenient. The installation was done really rapidly. I think we signed up an hour ago and I'm already up and running. So thank you guys.